Hello and welcome. Simple present. Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. Here's a chart showing all the tenses. There are 3 times: past, present, and future. And there are 4 aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. The times and the aspects combine to make all of the 12 tenses in English. The past time and the simple aspect make the past simple tense. Then, we have the past continuous, past perfect, and the past perfect continuous. In the same way, we can make tenses with the present and future times as well. We're going to discuss all of these in this series. So in this video, we begin with the present simple. The simple present tense is one of the most commonly used tenses in English. We form the present simple tense by combining a subject, such as I, you, we, they, he, she, it, with a verb in its present form, also known as V1. For example, she drinks tea every morning. They work hard. He studies. Notice that in sentence number 1, we have drinks with an S. In the present simple tense, if the subject is I, you, we, or they, we use a verb without S. In sentence number 2, that's why they work. In sentence number 1, we have drinks with an S. If the subject is he, she, or it, we have 3 forms for the verb. For most verbs, simply add S to the base form. For example, he reads. She writes. It works. For verbs that end in sh, ch, s, z, or o, we add es to the verb. For example, she washes. He watches. It goes. For verbs that end in a consonant plus y, we change the letter y to I and add es to the verb. For example, he studies. She tries. It cries. There are 4 main uses of the present simple tense. Habits and routines. We use simple present tense to talk about something that happens regularly. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She goes to the gym on Mondays. They play football every weekend. Number 2, general truths. We use simple present tense to state a fact or something that's always true. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The Earth revolves around the sun. Cats meow. Number 3, unchanging situations. He works as a doctor. My brother plays the guitar. She has 2 children. Number 4, fixed arrangements. We use simple present tense for events that are scheduled or planned. For example, the train leaves at 6 p.m. We have a concert at the park this weekend. Our flight departs at 6:30 in the morning. Negative sentences express that something does not happen regularly or is not true. We make negative sentences in the simple present tense with subject plus do or does plus not plus base form of the verb. For example, I do not play tennis. She does not play tennis. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. We made interrogative sentences in simple present tense with do or does plus subject plus base verb. For example, does he like ice cream? Do they travel by train? Thanks for watching.